perfection in polishing gives you a head start. Menzerna has been specializing in industrial polishing solutions ever since 1888. Our specialists develop formulas for success using cutting-edge technology. Thanks to intensive R&D, we keep redefining the limits of what's possible. In the Menzerna Technical Center, we fine-tune our formulas to meet the needs of a wide range of materials and applications in test after test. Our products undergo standardized testing to ensure unwaveringly high product quality. Before new developments enter series production, they are put through their paces in real-life conditions. Top performance is the standard. We guarantee peerless product quality and value for money thanks to certified and precisely controlled production of large batches. And we always deliver high-quality products on time thanks to our in-depth knowledge of process technology and meticulously organized workflows. Menzerna is the world's largest manufacturer of solid polishing compounds. Our portfolio offers industrial clients a cost-effective solution for any application. ISO certification pays testament to the quality and energy management systems underpinning our efficient and high-performance production. Professionals will always find the perfect solution in our vast automotive range, from high abrasion polishes through to long-lasting sealants. We offer solid compounds and emulsions for all industries. By virtue of consistent product properties, we ensure maximum process reliability coupled with cost-effective consumption figures. Menzerna is the first port of call for automotive manufacturers and aftermarket professionals. Every single day, ton after ton of German-made polishing compound leaves the Utikheim plant on its way to major clients and wholesalers around the world. We not only offer the perfect polishing compound for all applications, but also help you put the sparkle into your polishing processes. Using proven methods and measurement techniques, we generate precise data so we can configure just the right settings for your processes. Our recommendations are put into practice at the client's production facility, guaranteeing a cost-effective and reliable approach to getting the perfect surface. You can count on us. With expertise and passion, we work hard every day to make our successful products and services even better. Menzerna has its sights set on the future and never stops investing in cutting-edge technology, training, and research. There when you need us. Thanks to an international network of distributors and branch offices, we offer a speedy and competent service across the globe. Menzerna Polishing Compounds. Perfection in polishing.